Hello everyone, if you have to create video tutorials or courses without the support of video editors, then editing video would take you a huge amount of time since you have to manage many elements in each single second. For example, video, audio, text, transitions, sound effect, and many more. Therefore, escalating your editing speed could have you work faster with less frustration. With small improvement, we can make a big difference, and you can find this hidden tip in most of recording and editing tools. In this video, I will take ActivePresenter for example because we are the developers, so we understand it well. It is more of an e-learning authoring tool since it has full functions of a video editing tool since you can record screen, record yourself, and edit video right in here. The unique feature that separates ActivePresenter from other video editing tools is that instead of using one long timeline package, it has slide-based video editing formats. Now we'll come to the first editing tips. 1. Zoom fit. While editing, we often have to zoom in, and most of the time it will lose track of your content because it's shifts off screen. That's where zoom fit comes in. With zoom fit features, your canvas automatically adjusts to fit within the available workspace, no matter how much you zoom in or out. This means no more dragging around or manual scroll to find your content. We will come to number 2, show or hide video frames. When working with multiple layers in ActivePresenter, your timeline can get crowded, especially with video frames taking up space. To keep things organized, you can use Show or Hide Video Frames option. This lets you hide video thumbnails in the timeline, giving you more space to view and manage other layers. Just toggle the option again, and your thumbnails will reappear. It's a simple way to keep your workspace clean and focused. One more bonus tip here, you can use Control with your mouse scroll to lengthen or shorten the video timeline. This one is helpful when you need to cut video frames by frames. We will come to the third one, split audio track. When your audio is attached to a video, it can make editing tricky, especially if you need to adjust the sound separately. Use split audio track option. This separates the audio from the video, placing it in its own layer. Now you can adjust volume, cut, or move the audio independently. We'll come to the most interesting feature, split slides. When a slide gets too long or too much content, editing can become difficult and cluttered. To make things easier, use the split slide option. This lets you break one long slide into 2 or more smaller slides. You can imagine like one long video, but it is divided into small chunks, edit part by part. You can find nowhere else in other video editing tools. For example, if you want to make a video about 3 AI tools for education, you can split your video like this. Slide 1 could be the intro, Slide 2 introduce about tool 1, Slide 3 introduce about tool 2, Slide 4 introduce about tool 3. And slide 5 would be the outro. With this arrangement, you can organize content more clearly, adjust each slide independently, and keep your timeline clean and structured. Now we'll come to the final editing tips. Export part of the video. Instead of cutting and re-editing, ActivePresenter lets you export selected slides as independent videos. You just simply choose the slide you want to export, and ActivePresenter will generate a separate video file for that section. That is perfect for quick revisions without affecting the full project. By exporting only what you need, you save time, redefine size to work more efficiently. Small improvement can add up over time and helping us work smarter, not harder. You can try them out in the next project and let us know which tip helped you the most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for next e-learning video editing tips. Happy editing!